and welcome to my trading blog. Today I will cover a crucial topic for anyone looking to become a trader but unsure how to enter this field correctly. Trading on financial markets involves more than just technical analysis and memorizing strategies. A significant portion of trading success hinges on the right mindset, which I'll discuss in this video. But it won't be just theory. We will open a couple of trades, and along with mindset tips, you will get a simple strategy. Okay, let's start right away with a trade using one of my simple strategies. Look at the chart. Here I am entering a 1-minute trade for an upward move in a portion size of 5% of deposit. This is the standard entry size for any account size. As you can see, the price is moving up, indicating that my strategy provided a good signal. Finally, the option closes in profit. Yay! Now let me explain why I made this trade and describe the strategy that surely be useful to you. On the chart, I spotted a pattern called the triple bottom. It's easy to identify on the chart. If you see 3 consecutive troughs, that's a triple bottom. Just like in my example, each subsequent trough forms slightly lower than the previous one. And the second tool I use for this strategy is the RSI indicator, which helps identify divergences. This occurs when the indicator lines move in one direction while the candlesticks on the chart move in the opposite direction. In my example, they are moving down. These 2 signals prompted me to open an upward trade. Listen, the combination of signals played a crucial role here. The triple bottom is a very strong pattern and can be used on its own. However, if a trader wants to increase the probability of profit, they always look to enhance the strategy. The divergence fits perfectly with the triple bottom as it shows that the market is weakening at the bottom, even if the price chart doesn't show it yet. By the way, divergence is considered the strongest signal in technical analysis and can also be used independently. But combining these 2 signals creates a powerful duo that offers more profit than either one alone. As I said at the beginning, patterns and techniques in trading are not the main thing. The key to successful trading is the right mindset. The first thing to focus on is discipline and patience. Comparing trading to running a business makes this clear. Imagine you own a restaurant. For it to run smoothly, you need to buy ingredients on time, pay staff salaries, run marketing campaigns, and strictly follow your business hours. If any of these elements are neglected, your business will fail. For instance, if you don't open on time, customers will leave and go to your competitors, never to return. In trading, it's the same. You must stick to your trade entry rules, working schedule strategy, and risk management. Ignoring any of these aspects will result in constant losses. Suppose a trader thinks that risk management is holding them back from making quick profits. They might start using high-risk strategies like martingale or entry trades with 30% of their deposit. I guarantee in a few days they'll be out of money and deeply disappointed. Risk management is what helps preserve your deposit, and preserving your deposit is the top priority for any trader or investor, with profit coming second. Mindset also aids in learning and self-development. I'm not against beginners copying strategies and using them. But if you want to become a serious and successful trader, you need to understand what's happening on the chart and why. Read books, attend webinars, take courses, and engage with other traders on forums. Understanding the market structure, its participants, and their actions at specific moments will help you better sense the market and follow its direction. One way to study trading, practice it, and improve your mindset is to join a great community. That's why I invite you to my Telegram channel, where I regularly provide trading signals, break down new strategies, show how to trade using real examples, and share many useful tips. Join the channel via the link in the description. And now let's open another trade to add some excitement to our session. I'll use the same strategy I explained at the beginning of the video. So, I'm opening a 1 minute buy option with 5% of the deposit. Let's see what I spotted on the chart for this entry. On the chart, there is a triple bottom pattern, where each subsequent low is lower than the previous one. The lows on the RSI indicator are significantly rising while the price lows are declining. This is a classic bullish divergence, indicating that the price will soon rise. A double bottom plus divergence equals a strong buy signal, and this option brings me profit. Guys, remember, for high success rates, signals must be clear, like in this trade. You can easily see the three bottoms forming the required pattern. The divergence is also clear. You can see how the indicator lines diverge sharply from the chart readings. If you don't see such clear signal and are unsure if the pattern is correct, don't enter the trade. It's likely to be a poor decision. So, keep in mind what I already mentioned. Discipline and patience. Don't enter the market before the signals is fully formed. Such haste usually leads to failures. The strategy must provide a complete and definitive signal, otherwise it won't work. I hope you understand what I'm talking about. These were mostly technical and trading aspects. But trading isn't just about schedules, strategies, and technical analysis. Another factor that often ruins trades for participants is emotions. Let's return to the business analogy. Have you ever seen a business owner behaving irrationally with suppliers, buying goods at high prices when cheaper options are available, or gambling instead of investing in the business? What are the prospects for a business run by such an irrational person? Likely huge losses and bankruptcy. You wouldn't believe how similar this is to trading. In trading, emotions play a very serious role. If you ignore this, you could end up with no money at all. Different feelings usually overwhelm you right during trading. You might feel greed after a few successful trades, or fear after a series of losses. Well, trading during an emotional surge is very dangerous, and controlling it is almost impossible. Meditation or breathing exercise won't help, because during an emotional rush, you will forget about them. I have identified two approaches to deal with emotions. The first to calm already raging feelings, and the second for prevention. If you are overwhelmed by anger, greed, excitement, or fear during or before trading, you must switch your focus. Don't try to suppress the feeling. Redirect your energy to something else. If you feel overwhelmed, turn off your trading terminal and do something that will distract you. It could be running, listening to music, doing household chores, watching a movie, or anything else. The main thing is to forget about trading and calm your emotions during this activity. To avoid situations where you need to deal with emotions, you need a systematic approach to trading. This means knowing step by step what to do, which patterns to look for on the chart, how to enter a trade, and what amount to use. It's also a good idea to set a strict trading schedule. By acting systematically, the risk of emotional breakdowns is minimized. Guys, if you have problems with strategies, you can get them from my Telegram channel. I often share fresh strategies that I test on my own trading account. If you don't want to trade independently, use the free trading signals from my channel. So, you will find the link in the video description. Make sure to join. And now I want to give you a couple more mindset hacks that will make any trading strategy much more profitable and effective. The first thing I recommend when you start thinking about serious trading is to set goals. They should be clear, understandable, and time-bound. Don't set big goals like, I want to make money trading. That's obvious. Define specific goals. For example, within the next year, master and practice 10 popular and profitable strategies. Achieve a stable income. Within a couple of years, transition from your job to full-time trading. Use trading profits to create a source of passive income. These are concrete goals to strive for. They will help you understand why you trade, why you keep a trading plan, and why you study the market. Okay, the second thing every trader needs is continuous learning and adaptation. Even if you read all the articles and books on trading, there will always be something new. Strategies, tools, indicators. You need to adapt to these changes, because the market eventually accounts for everything related to it. For example, cryptocurrencies appeared just 15 years ago and were initially not taken seriously. Now, it's a huge financial sector with an incredible amount of money flowing into it. Traders who didn't explore this niche now deeply regret it. So, if you want to be serious about trading, be an explorer. Don't limit yourself to copying strategies and watching a couple of trading videos. Guys, do you know how to keep all this in mind? Here's another trader's hack. You need a trading plan. This is a document where you write down everything related to trading. Step-by-step strategy, goals, patterns you'll use, trade entry rules, and even your trading schedule. If you're satisfied with making small profits, you can just copy one of my strategies from the channel. But for a long-term and serious approach, I recommend considering everything I just talked about. Be disciplined, learn to manage your emotions, set goals, and keep a thorough trading plan. Trust me, every successful trader does this. Once you start applying this to your trading, you will reach a new level. In the meantime, you can build up a base of strategies and knowledge from this channel. Be sure to subscribe, like, and leave a comment. If you want more material than what you see in this channel, welcome to the Telegram channel, link below the video. Content is posted there more frequently, and you can ask me questions directly. Well, on this wonderful note, I will say goodbye until the next episode. I wish you success in your learning and big profits. Goodbye!